really want to make, my honourable friend, is that GPs want to get on with this. And whilst it's important that we support and have a listening exercise, we also need to give GPs the confidence that they can continue to plan for GP-led commissioning. The second point I want to make is that the more I listen to this debate, the more I listen to everyone, it's quite clear everyone, when they're talking about it, has their own agenda of changes that they want to have made.
Keep it in, you can see it.
The 98% vote against my honourable friend by the right honourable friend of the Royal College of Nurses. But I listened to Peter Carter, the Chief Executive and General Secretary of the Royal College of Nurses, on the world of wine. And I was so struck by what he said that I listened to him to the transcript, because he was asked by Martha Darby, who put to him, Martha? Okay, Madam Deputy Speaker, it's been an extraordinary situation in which the Liberal Democrats who denied any criticism of the bill when we made it originally have suddenly jumped on board, and all I can say is they're very welcome. But from both Lib Dem ministers and Tory ministers,
Go with that, Lockie. Today
the Secretary of State said he'd inherited Labour's mess. Labour's mess was to leave the National Health Service in the best situation it's ever been in, more successful than ever before, and improving rapidly, reducing waiting lists to the lowest they've ever been, reducing waiting times to the lowest they've ever been, and massively improving survival.